Погнали нахуй. Last week I tried something new, assembling kitchens. I didn't have many nail appointments, so I remembered a friend of mine who assembles kitchens. I just messaged him and asked if he needed help. He replied right away and I was in. We worked Friday, Saturday and Sunday. On Friday we finished a kitchen he'd already started. We wrapped up around 2 a.m. and I was home by 3 a.m. On Saturday and Sunday we took on a different job outside the city in a private house. The first day we worked until 8 p.m. because there were some utility issues and the clients had to get them fixed, so we could continue. On the second day, everything was ready and we worked again until 2 a.m. just to finish the job and not have to come back for a couple of hours to do some small final touches, so we stayed late. Honestly, it was interesting, nothing too complicated. I know how to use a screwdriver and power tools. I've assembled cabinets before, like the ones I have at home. I put those together recently with just a screwdriver and a hex key. In 3 days, I made $284. And honestly, I wouldn't say that's a lot, considering I left in the morning and came back in the middle of the night, 2 days out of 3. If I had clients, I could have made more doing nails, but I didn't. So working this way, earning a bit less, maybe getting more tired, it's still better than just sitting around staring at the ceiling. Why? Way better, I think. Will I take more side gigs like this? I don't know. My friend is going on vacation now until the end of July, so that opportunity won't be available. But maybe I'll look into other option. Maybe I'll try working in a premium nail salon where I could make about the same per clients as I do on my own. I have that option, but I'm still not sure if it's worth it. So that's where things are. Also, today is my daughter's birthday. She turned exactly 3 years old. June 24th. June 24th. The video will come out tomorrow, but that's just how it is. We'll celebrate today. She's in kindergarten right now. My wife is also at work. She's on the early shift, so she'll be home a bit earlier. And I'm going to the dentist again today. After that, I'll be pretty out of it. But we'll blow up balloons and decorate the apartment so it's ready when Our daughter comes back from kindergarten, so she can see at least a little celebration and feel happy. She already had a good start to her day. We woke up. My wife had already left for work. She leaves a bit earlier, but I put on a birthday song for my daughter and she was so happy. We dressed her in a beautiful outfit with favorite unicorns and went to kindergarten. And there she changed into a beautiful fluffy dress. I don't know if my wife will have any videos from kindergarten of her celebration or anything. If she does, I'll attach them. If not, just imagine it and believe me. So that's where I am today. Of course, I had no time for YouTube this weekend, 3 days of working until late at night, but I'm recovering, getting back to normal, and I'll keep going, keep making videos, keep filming. And as always, hugs, lifts, spins, down. Bye. Oh, subscribe, please subscribe me. Subscribe my channel. Russian bald gangster, tail gangster.